Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to retrieve materials from the database for use during the modeling process. First, go to Usable Material. Here, you can create different material groups. You can create a new material group and name it according to the project or the customer. To add materials to this group, click on Edit. You can find materials from any group in the database. For example, I will search in the MDF group. Use the search bar to filter the materials you need. Double-click on the material name, or select the material and click Add to Table. Once added, click OK. The materials retrieved from the database will be displayed here, ready for modeling. For this example, I will select the 18mm board and click OK. At the bottom, you can see the MS999 18mm board is now active. When you draw, this material will be applied automatically. While this is for sheet materials, the process for edge bands is very similar. Click on Edge Banding. You can create a new edge band group here. Next, click on Edit and select the edge band materials. I will search for 999. Click Add to Table to make it available. Now, you can use it to apply edge bands to your components. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.